In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Outlook email account. This is a simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll have your very own Outlook email address ready for sending and receiving emails. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook sign-in page. You can find this at the Microsoft 365 login page. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the option to sign in. Since we're setting up a new account, we won't need to enter any login information. Instead, look for the Sign In button prominently displayed on the screen. Go ahead and click it. Next, you're likely to see a few options, but what we're interested in is the option that says Create an Account. Click on that link and it will direct you to the account creation page. This is where you'll start setting up your new email account. Once on the account creation page, you'll need to enter the email address you'd like. This is typically something unique, so choose an address that suits your needs but is also easy to remember. Once you've decided on a suitable address, type it into the designated field, then click the Next button. After successfully choosing your email address, it's time to create a strong password. Microsoft has some good guidelines for passwords, generally recommending that you include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to make it secure. Go ahead and enter your desired password, keeping in mind these recommendations. As with any password, try to avoid using easily guessed information like birthdays or common phrases. With your password set, click Next again, and you'll be asked to enter some personal details. First, your first and last name. Go ahead and fill that in with your corresponding information. After that, Microsoft will ask for a bit more information about you, including your country or region, as well as your date of birth. These details are necessary for account setup and help secure your account further, so be sure to fill them out accurately. Once all this information is completed, you may have to pass a quick security check to verify that you are indeed a human setting up the account. This might involve solving a simple puzzle or entering a code sent to your phone. Just follow the instructions provided on screen to complete this step. Congratulations! You've now successfully set up your Microsoft Outlook email account. You can now start sending and receiving emails using your new Outlook address. Be sure to explore all the features Outlook has to offer. From creating calendar events to using the built-in task manager, Outlook is designed to help you stay organized and efficient. And that's how you create a Microsoft Outlook email account. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new email setup.